If you're tired that some websites are going to track everything that you do on the web, well, I'm going to show you a way that you can enable Do Not Track into Google Chrome. Now, some websites maybe are going to ignore that. There is momentarily nothing that we can do about that, but at least for the websites that respect that, they are not going to be able to track or collect your data. To enable it, you want to have Chrome open, then go into the three dots on the top right corner, scroll down until you see Settings, and click on it. On the Settings tab on the left side, you're going to see some options right here. You want to click into the tab of Privacy and Security. Now, on this new tab, you have the option of third-party cookies. Select it. And right here, you have the option of Send a Do Not Track request with your browsing traffic. And you want to enable. And as you can see right here, enable Do Not Track means that the request will be included within your browsing traffic. And the effect depends on whether a website responds to the request or not. But many websites are still sadly going to collect your data. You want to click into confirm, and that is pretty much it. Now you can close it, and at least you're going to have a little bit more security. It's not maybe a lot, but any little bit counts. Thanks for watching, my friends, for this quick tutorial on security when web browsing, at least in Google Chrome. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to drop a like into the video and to subscribe for more content like this one. See you guys on the next time. Bye bye.